Custom software helps organizations by improving user efficiency and improves the quality of the data they have and their access to it.
So as we discover their business, we gain a level of understanding of not just how do they do their business, but how technology can help improve and automate their business.
Even if you're doing something as simple as just fulfillment services, that little competitive advantage that you can get with a piece of custom software will take your organization to the next level.
KDG can really dive into that for you, and we can really kind of get custom software to do exactly what you need, how you need it, in the workflow that you want it to be, and look exactly the way you want it to, if not better than that.
The workflow management that we can provide to our customers can take any process that they have and put in a system of checks and balances to make sure that they're following the workflow. Things are going through the proper channels that they need to get the job done.
We've done stuff from e-commerce to warehouse management, payroll. It's just about anything that you can automate in your business.
And there's a lot of businesses that come to us that are still doing a lot of their work off of spreadsheets and maybe 2 or 3 or 4 different applications. And we're able to take those applications and all those spreadsheets and all that data and integrate it into a single application that really replicates how they want to do business.
A key part of KDG's process when it comes to developing custom software is really integrating with the client's processes, understanding their workflows, their needs and their objectives.
We really need to understand the essence of the business and what makes them special.
And from that, our discovery process basically creates a blueprint for how they go from their current way of doing business to how they could be doing their business with a custom software solution.
Really seeing how you can turn something that's never been done before into a usable application that helps someone do their job.
Making sure that the right processes are happening at the right times by the right people over and over and over again, being able to interchange the people performing those tasks and really letting the software take the lead. And that's certainly a specialty of ours and something we've been doing successfully for over a decade.
When we build the custom software here, we're always going to make sure that it focuses on what job the customer is trying to get done.